There's questions. How about FTOC? FTOC is a fintech play. Yep, FTOC was up. This is Pioneer. So FTOP is Olympus already up $14. People already knew that this was a Pioneer. So maybe the question is, do you know who Pioneer is? So let's just go here. Pioneer.com. What's Pioneer? The website is an American fintech providing online money transfer, digital payment services, providing customers with working capital. It's a company founded 2005 with $300 million of revenue in 2019. Pay and then get paid worldwide. So let's see about the company if you want to have it in your portfolio. The CEO is Leif Brian Margallo. He is the CEO and founder, and I'm happy to say, wow, these are some Philippine companies. So imagine a CEO of the Philippines actually getting listed abroad and actually doing well abroad. I'm happy to say that we've got a solution, and it's good. Go beyond your passport to global growth. Register here. Receive payments from international clients and withdraw this to your local bank account easily with Pioneer's low fees. We get paid by the world's leading digital brands from Amazon, BlueSnap, Lazada, Shopee, 2CO, Checkout, freelancers, and service providers, such as freelance, like you've got the gig economy, like Upwork and Fiverr are actually awesome 10x picks, but more so explained in Upwork. But we discussed this as a free class even about the gig economy. Digital marketing and beyond, you've got Google, Taboola, Shutterstock, Getty Images, Canva, Airbnb, Booking.com. Meet our customers. Let's watch this. All in one platform for global growth. We get paid to international receiving accounts. Request a payment, pay your VAT, access working capital, receive your bank account numbers in dollar, euro, Canadian, Aussie, yen, or even Mexican peso, and get paid as easily as having a local bank account. So if you are these freelancers who have jobs and are having a lot of clients abroad, this might actually your PayPal for yourself. So develop your online freelance business, a complete solution for freelancers and services providers with clients worldwide. Great job. Grow your online outsourcing agency, expand your e-commerce, drop shipping businesses, develop your online franchising business, online outsourcing agency. So Leif Brian Margallo, CEO and founder of Virtual Workforce Professionals. Read more. Pioneer offers the best rates compared to other payment providers, maximizing the earning potential of our team. They're also the fastest provider available. So let's see, read more. So he is the CEO of Virtual Workforce, not Pioneer, sorry. So, okay, so he's a client basically. Manage your global payments on the go with Pioneer mobile app. So you can actually download the Pioneer mobile app. E-commerce, your passport, freelancing, get a range of ebooks, etc. So let's take a look at the partners, the founders of this company. Open link in new tab, bank partnerships, resources, success stories. All right, so let's go to their blog. Industries being helped. So they're helping these people. So the Airbnbs of the world, the digital marketing, very, very huge trends, and manage funds, withdraw to your funds. So how to win Australian clients, start watching that, explore Pioneer. Okay, this is a success story, meaning Pioneer is a client, Leif Brian Margallo is a client of Pioneer. So he says, my name is Leif Margallo. I'm from Guimaras, the Philippines, but I'm living in Iloilo City. I've gone through several career transitions, from even being a dance choreographer to a call center agent and now to an online freelancer. These transitions led me to where I am today. I've established VWP, the Virtual Workforce Professionals, in 2011 on Odesk, which is presently Upwork. Having identified the demand on the marketplace for a very skilled workforce, I saw it as an opportunity to help Filipinos get quality work and earn a very good income. At the time, call center was booming with millions of call center agents. And given that Filipinos are highly proficient in English, loyal, dependable, and adaptable, it made it easy for us to align these values with the services we offered online. So basically, VWP is a top-rated online agency providing telemarketing, sales, customer service, virtual assistant services to clients around the world. And how would these Filipinos get paid? Of course, through Pioneer. I used to get my payments through PayPal, and local fund transfers on Odesk, but they're low, but they have very high, fees. So I started using the Payoneer prepaid MasterCard in 2009. I stopped as I found it too expensive. Things changed in 2016. I heard that they've updated. I didn't have any second thoughts, making it our main payment provider. Right now, I'm using Payoneer to transfer funds from freelance platforms and even to our local Philippine bank account. They offer the highest forex rates compared to other payment providers, maximizing the earning potential of our team. Also, online withdrawals usually take 2 to 3 business days or more. With Pioneer, we can just withdraw it in the morning and receive it in the evening. We receive funds on the same day. Nothing can top that. Getting the highest forex rate with fast delivery simply means that Pioneer is the best. There's more success stories. You've got Marvin Espina, which is an e-commerce seller in the Philippines. This is co-founder of Banjo in Thailand, and this is co-founder of Host for Geeks in India. So why don't we watch a few of these more success stories? Let's watch Kushar Raha here. So Host for Geeks. Can I play? Play. Is it a video? All right, let's watch the videos. It's an interesting company, guys, because it's like a PayPal, Pioneer. So I think you want to actually check out. The challenge was losing money on charges of all these fees. The solution was Pioneer, hassle-free, low-cost ways. Since we started using Pioneer, our monthly transactions have increased and we no longer encounter delays in receiving payments. So the main challenge has been addressed by Pioneer. Good stuff. You've got so many clients here who are happy customers. These are your testimonials all around the world, from online sellers in China, Argentina, and Ukraine, Indonesia. Very good. I'm happy to see all these Pioneer stories. So you could actually just go pioneer.com/resources/success stories. So all of these are happy testimonials of this great company, and I like the fact that it's worldwide. So happy to see an enabler, a payment. Pioneer goes public. Let's take a look at the news here. So they went public through a SPAC. Happy to say that. I love SPACs. Yep. So, okay. So the thing about me is that for me to watch, I need to write everything here, which I won't tell you today. So I'll just watch it on my own. But I think that you watch it on your own. What Pioneer does, the investor's presentation, royalty payments for content makers. So very good. So this is actually a helpful hand with a secular trend. Happy to say that FTOC is a great company. So put it on your buys if you don't have it. Today it's trading at about $14.40, already hitting all-time highs. Could have been an entry point at about $12, but that doesn't restrict you to buy tonight at $14.40. If it's a winner, it's a winner. Winners win. You are a loser if you don't have a winner.